Hello and welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up and how to actually pair the Noise Shots Neo truly wireless earphones with your smartphone. Now I have an Android smartphone here, but you can also do this of course with an iPhone. And what you need to do is you need to first make sure that the earbuds are actually charged. When they come, they actually come separately. When you buy the earbuds, they come in there, as you saw in an unboxing video. You need to take them out of that and you need to put them in this charging enclosure. So this is where they charge. Okay, so currently the earbuds have been in here for a little while and they would be suitably charged enough at least for me to pair them. So what you need to do is you need to take the earbuds out of the charging container. Okay, and on your mobile phone you need to just go to your Bluetooth settings, make sure it's on, click pair new device, and it's going to start searching for available devices, and there you go. It shows Noise Shots Neo. So just click Noise Shots Neo. It says pair with Noise Shots Neo. I'll click pair, and there you go, and it's showing it's active. It has 70% battery, and I am now paired, so I can actually listen to music, I can take calls on this now. And so that is basically how you pair and set up the Noise Shot Neo with your smartphone. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.